Dana Osgood has our forecast. We've been talking a lot about the obvious change in the temperature from yesterday to today. However, part of our state right now is actually getting winter-like weather.
Right.
Yes.
Not just the temperature change.
Areas of far northern Maine have temperatures low enough that they're getting freezing rain, sleet, and a little bit of snow.
The
Tough
snow
day.
I'm sure they're okay with, but the other stuff,
The other is not so great.
Yes, the freezing rain especially, I know a lot of people, myself included, consider that to be the worst precipitation type. But yes, temperatures are a huge difference from where we were yesterday. We've been talking about it all day, and this map is still just as impressive several hours later. Most of us seeing a change of over 30 degrees from 24 hours ago to right now in terms of our temperature. And that warm front in areas of far northern Maine, that's what's been giving us that mixed precipitation. We have freezing rain, we have some sleet, we have a little bit of snow, a little bit of everything in terms of the precipitation. And areas of southern Maine are just starting to get the plain rain in. Areas south of about Route 2 will stick to plain rain because their temperatures will be high enough. If you look closely, there was a little bit of thunder snow and thunder sleet in the county earlier today. We do have a winter storm warning in areas of far northern Maine because of that ice accretion. Winter weather advisory a little bit farther south. This is what we're expecting for our storm total forecast in terms of the ice. So a lot of spots in northern Maine have already seen some ice accretion. This is what we're expecting in total. If you're going to travel tonight, though, in any of the areas here shaded in pink, you're just going to want to take things slow, be extra careful. Even just a little bit of freezing rain can make surfaces very slippery. And snow and sleet combined for our winter precipitation forecast here. Highest totals expected in areas of far northern Maine and the northern areas of the county. And this is a part of a very dynamic system that's been bringing some severe weather to areas of the Ohio River Valley and Pennsylvania. But by the time this cold front reaches us, we won't be seeing any severe weather, but we will see some heavy rain tonight and tomorrow morning and a little bit of fog tomorrow morning too. And we're in a very active pattern, so once that system departs, then we have another one, a clipper, that will be coming in Friday night into Saturday. Because of the location of that area of low pressure, we'll likely end up with some snow showers as that system goes through. So over the next few hours, we're going to start to see more of that plain rain in areas of southern Maine, more freezing rain in northern Maine overnight tonight. As we get into tomorrow morning, though, a lot of us start to warm up, so we do start to see some of that plain rain begin to move farther north. Could see some fog tomorrow morning, too. The second half of the day ends up being mostly cloudy and pretty windy. I think it's going to be a pretty dreary afternoon. We start out Friday with some sunshine, and then we start to increase our cloud cover later in the day ahead of those snow showers that will last overnight Friday and during the day on Saturday. Marine forecast, I did that earlier. I skipped the marine forecast again. Can't do that. Marine forecast sees 4 to 10 feet, gale warning because of those gusty winds. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. And if you look at those temperatures, we're certainly going to be in a much more wintry pattern once again. High temperatures in the 30s and 40s. We'll certainly be keeping an eye on the very active pattern that we have. And Brian and Amanda, just another reminder, if you are going to be traveling in areas that have been seeing freezing rain or sleet, just take it extra carefully. It's just like regular winter, still gets slippery.
Still regular winter, very true. Dana, thank you.